A mask today is part of your dress code. It is part of your, when you are wearing your surwali in the morning, you wear a mask. And you cannot come and tell us that the government is not giving you a mask. That is why you are not wearing a mask. The government has not given you a shirt. And we don't see you walking naked without a shirt because the government has not given you a shirt. So make it part of your dress code. If you must buy something, washana na socks, buy a mask. If that is what it means that you have to sacrifice something, washana na socks, hata hizo. Lakini washana hizo zingine, anza na mask. That way everybody is going to be compliant. Of course we are sensitive. And we know that there are those we must support. And we will do so. And we have continued to do so. But for instance, if your child is going to go to school, just like you have bought a uniform for the child, part of the uniform is a mask. You know, that is part of the uniform. So going forward, I think we have got to learn how to live with this new normal. And this new normal means exactly that a mask is part of your dress code. Let's just